Are you tired of waiting for your hens to lay consistently? What if I told you there's a simple, all-natural solution that could boost egg production, backed by science? Today, we're talking about neem leaf powder and why it might just be the secret to getting more eggs every day. Now, why should you care about neem? Well, let me ask you, what if your chickens could lay more eggs, stay healthier, and save you money, all with one natural ingredient? Neem leaf powder has been studied for its ability to improve egg production, enhance yolk color, and boost overall poultry health. In fact, a 2024 study in the Journal of Applied Poultry Research found that hens fed neem leaf meal had a 92.45% hen-day egg production rate, higher than those without it. That's a significant boost. Hey farmers, as you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips on raising faster-growing broilers, boosting egg production in layers, getting bigger and stronger eggs, and keeping your chicks healthier, all using natural, organic methods. Our expert insights on feeding, disease prevention, and cost-saving strategies will take your farm to the next level. Subscribe now and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Now, let's get back to today's video. How neem works in poultry. Neem is a powerhouse ingredient. It contains natural compounds like azadirachtin, flavonoids, and antioxidants that work together to improve digestion, fight parasites, and strengthen the immune system. Imagine it as a superfood for your chickens. What does this mean for you? Healthier hens, better feed conversion, and ultimately more eggs. One study even found that 2.5% neem leaf meal in layer diets led to the best egg production results. 2. Proper dosage and mixing methods.
More often, your flock might be getting sick, your hens might be producing less eggs, and your birds might not be growing faster as you'll desire. Worry not, we have created an ebook with more than 49 natural organic herbs that will ensure a faster growth for your birds, ensure that your hens lay more eggs, and ensure that your birds have an enhanced health through treating diseases and pest eradication. These herbs ranges from simple and available products such as garlic and ginger to moringa, mango leaves, and pawpaw. This ebook explains each natural product or herb using a very simple layout. Background information, biochemical composition, benefits for the poultry birds, preparation, and finally, inclusion levels or dosages. So, you'll be able to apply the information even if you're a beginner farmer. On top of that, you will get free consultations to help you achieve your desired goals. Get the ebook using the link in the description of this video or scan the QR code on the screen right now. Are you ready to make more money farming poultry organically?
Now, I know what you're thinking. How do I actually use neem leaf powder in my flock's diet? Well, it's easy. 2.5% neem leaf meal, best for increasing egg production. 5 to 10% neem leaf meal can be used but might reduce feed intake if too high. How to use? Mix neem powder into regular feed. Sprinkle it over wet mash for better absorption. Offer it as a free choice supplement in separate feeders. A simple ratio is about 25 grams of neem leaf powder per kilogram of feed. Stick to this range, and you'll start seeing great results. 3. Expected results and timeline. Now, let's talk about what happens when you start using neem. Week 1 to 2. Improve digestion and parasite reduction. Week 4 to 6. Noticeable increase in egg production and better eggshell strength. 2+ months. Long-term benefits like consistent laying cycles, healthier feathers, and lower disease rates. One farmer I spoke with saw a 15% increase in daily egg count after just 6 weeks of using neem. And the best part? His birds were healthier, and his feed costs went down because his hens utilized nutrients more efficiently. 4. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Now, let's make sure you don't make these common mistakes. 1. Using too much. More than 10% can reduce appetite. 2. Not grinding it well. Whole leaves aren't as digestible. 3. expecting overnight results. It takes a few weeks to see consistent changes. 4. Ignoring diet balance. Neem works best alongside a protein-rich, calcium-balanced diet. Get this right, and your layers will thank you with more eggs. Now, here's what a top poultry scientist has to say about Neem.
Neem leaf powder is an excellent natural feed additive, offering antimicrobial benefits and boosting egg production when used correctly. Dominic Natho, poultry scientist.
All right, let's recap. Neem leaf powder can increase egg production, improve yolk quality, and support flock health. If you're looking for a natural, affordable way to help your layers lay more, Neem is the way to go. Have you tried Neem in your flock? Let me know in the comments below. More eggs starts with a better diet. Learn how to make layers chickens feeds by clicking on the video on the screen right now.